Have you taken a look at the average homeowner lately? We're wearing a lot of hats these days. Handyman, landscaper, carpenter, sportsman. We're jacks of all trades. We like our toys and we like our tools. And when they happen to come in the same package, well, it's not hard to get our attention. Introducing the Raven MPV 7100S. Remember that first multi-tool pocket knife your grandfather gave you? Well, meet its big brother, and then some. At its core, the MPV 7100S is the ultimate 3-in-1 machine. Riding lawnmower, rugged backroads vehicle, and a portable generator. As a hybrid riding lawnmower, the Raven MPV's 46-inch mowing deck can be adjusted to 10 cutting heights and can handle some pretty sizable real estate. And its incredibly tight turning radius will have you maneuvering around some pretty tricky areas. Most riding mowers rely on belts and transmissions to drive the cutting blades. This wastes energy, uses more fuel. The MPV 7100S is an electric direct drive system. The gasoline motor generates electricity and transfers more power to the wheels than traditional riding mowers, allowing the user to get the job done quickly and efficiently. And because it's a hybrid, it runs cleaner. Now here's where it gets interesting. The mower deck can be easily removed by removing the power connector and a few pins, which turns the Raven MPV into a back road vehicle. Now we're ready to roll. And we mean roll. Up to 17 miles per hour in either gas or electric mode. Plus, it has ATV-style front shocks and suspension, so you can maneuver off-road. Better yet, you drive it like a car, with foot pedals and a steering wheel. And let's not forget about that hybrid function. Let's say you're a hunter or maybe a wildlife photographer. Now getting into the woods doesn't have to sound like a stampede is coming. You can roll in silently under electric power. When you're ready to come home, motor out in hybrid mode and it recharges your battery. I saved the best for last. The MPV 7100S is also a powerful electric generator. It can supply power over 5 outlets for up to 10 hours. That's a really nice benefit for those projects that are beyond your extension cord's reach. Now you can have power whenever you need it, wherever you need it. Whether that's a job site on the edge of your property or simply a campsite where you want the luxury of having electricity at your disposal. 7,000 watts of power is nothing to sneeze at. It can keep you online, even after a storm takes you offline. Every once in a while, a product comes along that turns your head. A product that gets it right. Well, today is that day, and this is that product. The Raven MPV 7100S. Trust me, it's not your grandpa's riding mower.